Hey friends, welcome to another laundry motivation video. Thank you so much for clicking the link or the thumbnail that got you here. If you have some laundry to get done, I hope you get it done with me. I'll be here for around 9 minutes. So if you have something to get done, put me on your favorite device and let's do it together. 10 minutes is enough time to sort some clothes, load the washer, unload the washer, load the dryer, or just pull them out of the dryer, get them into a basket, and put them in place for folding them later. So let's go. This particular week was a nightmare for line drying. It rained pretty much every day. The rain came down early. A couple of those days I wasn't at home because I put them out and went to work. Nobody was at home to get them off the line. And so it was just one of those days, one of those weeks. Look at how pretty it is outside right now. And this is one of the loads that's gonna get wet on the line. But the days, they start off nice and bright and pretty, and you would think that they would be perfect days for line drying, only to find out, nope, not today. If you're new here, my name is Bevy, and on my channel I've been doing a lot of laundry motivation videos because that is what the viewers like the most, seemingly, based on my analytics and based on a poll that I ran on my community tab a couple weeks ago. Laundry is a favorite over here. So if you like laundry motivation, definitely hit subscribe. This is where I'm showing you the raindrops on the line. So right, definitely hit subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when I upload, so you don't miss it. And say hi down in the comments. I'd like to welcome you officially to my little corner of YouTube, as I like to say, and welcome you as an embracer. this particular day, I put this load of laundry out before going to work, and it was one of the loads that got wet on the line. But this load, actually, it never just got wet on the line. It was on the line for, I want to say it was 3 days. So I ended up having to rewash this load. As I said, it was one of those weeks that just wasn't ideal for line drying, especially in my situation where I wasn't home to monitor the skies and take them up, because if I was home, then I possibly would have gotten them off the line in time. As long as I get them out early, I am most often able to get them off before the rain, because the rain rarely comes very early. So as I said, I had put them out before work. So these were on the line the day before. So those got dry and I took those off, and then I loaded the whites. Now guys, another thing that happened this week is the line started to malfunction again. So your girl was, I was quite annoyed because I thought we had fixed the issue with this line. So now I am saying that it's the line is the problem. Do not buy this line. Do not purchase this clothes drying rack, they called it. Don't do it. I initially thought it was just the installation that was the problem, but now I just think this line is just garbage. And you can see on my face that I am frustrated and just over it. And at one point I just stopped taking the stuff off the line and went inside and asked hubby to come and fix it, because I was so over it.
It gets confusing when you say you love me, when you say that we're just friends. You must be thinking this is just a game. I'm not interested to play. I'm looking for something real. Won't you tell me how you feel? What your true intentions are? Boy, you'll have to raise the bar if you want me, baby. Something needs to change. I'm done wondering, I want clarity. No more wicked ways. Love me or leave me, yeah. Love me or leave me, but don't hold me hostage, with this back and forth. Love me.
So as I said, this load ended up getting wet on the line over multiple days, so I had to rewash them eventually. So this is where this video is going to end today. If you're working with me, we are almost to the end. We just have a couple seconds left actually. If you're still here watching, thank you so much for spending 9 minutes of your life with me, and I will see you here soon with another video. Bye.
Leave me, but don't hold me hostage, with this back.